I'm Swagoto Surjo Dutta, roll number 21NA30033. This is my and I'm from section 8. This is my assignment number 2 of the DIY class. Uh, as you can see, this is the on the share in the shared screen that this is a simple circuit which I've made for a stand fan, which will be operating on the fact that when nobody is in the room and the lights are turned off, the uh, the stand fan ceases to rotate, and the stand fan is more or less demonstrated here by the main component of the fan, that is a rotor, which will be rotating the shaft of the fan. So this is the regulator of the fan. As you can see in the comment also, this is the regulator of the fan. This is the rotor of the fan. And finally, this is the main component here, which is the sensor. It will sense the intensity of the light which will be in the room. Unless it hits a cutoff intensity of light in the room, it won't um, allow the rotor to rotate. No potential will be provided across the pin number 4 and ground. So I'll just start the simulation and show you the code. So I've also used this voltmeter and oscilloscope. Right now there is no response curve, so to speak, because there is no voltage across it. And I have in the code I've set this input this input pin A0 to a variable which I have named as IP, which stands for input. I've also printed IP for my own convenience to explain this thing better, and I've put an if, which I'll explain very shortly as I explain you this the what happens with the sensor here. As you can see, the sensor is right now uh, reading no light. That is, the room is pitch black. So it reads on the serial monitor, that is the IP output IP value which is being printed on the serial monitor, that is 1023. In the comment I've written that it is quantized to 13 states, which is that 1010 to 1023. And here, when it is pitch black, it is 723, and when I slowly slide it to the right, the value on the serial monitor decreases, but not good enough to rotate the shaft. It is still not rotating in this in this region. No voltage changes also. But as soon as I reach the point of 1015, it starts reading a value of voltage of 2.51 volts. There is a response curve which is shown in the oscilloscope. The voltage certainly rises up and stays constant, and in the this shaft this rotor circuit, the potentiometer here is right now supplying no uh, amount of high resistance, but when I slowly uh, rotate the dial to the right, to the clockwise direction, not right, you can see it slows down. So it is designed to be like a regulator in a fan. Now the last part is the code. I can show the text. I have just copied this text and printed it to my uh, the Arduino IDE platform. I'll just show it to you. Here it is, the Arduino IDE. I just copy pasted it, and I'll just quickly verify. As you can see, it is compiling the sketch, and now it is done compiling. So I've already saved its name as assignment 2 of Arduino. That was it from my side. Thank you very much.